Don't worry guys, it only falls out sometimes. Have you ever wanted to strap razor blades to a drill? Well, I have never done it, but luckily there is this great life hack video that teaches you how to do it. Life hack review. This video is literally called Top 5 Amazing Life Hacks with Drill Machine. So, first off, man, this guy is obviously not fluent in English, but that doesn't matter. What matters is you call it a life hack. On top of that, it has 6.6 million views. Now, I'm not a mathematician or anything, but the chances of at least one person trying these life hacks out of the 6 million is pretty high. That is horrible. I mean, I'm gonna try it right now. Let's just do it. Life hack number 1 requires a drill machine, bolts and nuts, and my favorite, razor blades. Because, I mean, these obviously go together. So in the video, he takes his razor blades out, does not safely handle them. Okay, he breaks it down a little bit so they're shorter. Dang, this guy's dangerous. He's barehanding razor blades and oh my gosh. No, he puts it in the drill, and that's when you know there's something not right with this man. At least wear gloves. What could you ever use a razor blade drill for? Bananas. Mushy bananas. That's what you could use a razor blade drill for. Oh my gosh. I've always wanted banana mush. That's it. That's literally what he used the razor blade machine for, was to make banana mush. So, I'm gonna review this and tell you if it's safe. It's not safe. Spoiler alert. So, step 1, you gotta follow the life hack properly and do everything barehanded. He snapped it to make it short. Don't ever try this ever. Drills have this thing called torque. Torque and blades don't work together. Putting anything on the end of a drill besides a drill bit is dangerous. It'll fling off, it'll hit you, it'll hurt, but you add the knife aspect, one of the sharpest knife aspects, I really hope no one ever tried this. I'm getting scared. Let's insert our death machine into our drill machine. The power! Ah! Oof. Oofy mama. Don't worry guys, it only falls out sometimes. They're only razor blades. It's not like they'll hurt you or anything. Okay, banana test guys. I'm putting on real gloves. Oh my gosh guys, it's working. Guys, it's matching the bananas. It's not because I'm uncomfortable using this razor blade death machine. It's working. Oh, frick. And there she is. Your meal in a bowl. Time for a taste test. Tastes like a banana. Well, like every other life hack, I am left speechless. I hate it. It's dumb. This one's incredibly dangerous. I rate this a -5 because it's a safety hazard and you will end up going to the hospital. Next, life hack. For the next life hack, have you ever been beating your eggs and thought, wow, I want a machine to do this? And you didn't have a mixer, but you had a $200 drill and a clothes hanger? Well, you're in luck. There's a life hack for that. From the same video as the last one, he makes an egg beater out of a clothes thingy. Majigger. What's this called? From a clothes hanger. Okay, with this one, there's not much explanation. He cuts it. Oh. Oh, dang. Okay, it's a little simpler than I thought. I'll give it respect points. You take this, sneep, sneep, and find the middle. Bend it. How does he get it to stay? A zip tie. He zip ties it. And you got your DIY food safe egg beater. Oh my gosh. This is dangerous. Remember how I said putting anything in a drill besides a drill bit is dangerous? That's exactly why. It flings out, it whacks you in your eye, you don't have an eye anymore. Having an eye is not fun.
Having an eye is not fun.
Not having an eye is not fun. Okay, I'll go get me some eggs that need some beaten. I got my eggs, I got my bowl. Now it's time to make an omelette.
You crack them with a fork?
No, I just thought it would be cool. Okay, let's use our DIY egg slapper and see how she works.
20 minutes later.
Bad idea, bad idea.
Guys, I love life hacks. They're so great. I saved approximately 0 seconds because first of all, you could just use a fork. Believe it or not, it's kind of the same frickin' principle. No, I'm covered in eggs. I hate this, I hate this, I hate. This gets a -2. It's completely useless, it doesn't hack anything, it takes a lot of time, and it's semi-dangerous. Next, life hack. Okay, for the next life hack, he takes the drill machine and straps it to his bike. Pretty simple. Yeah, ineffective. I mean, that's literally it. He also appears to take the brake line, because you don't need brakes in a bike, and straps it to the throttle. I don't know how I feel about that. But maybe if you can get going 5 miles an hour. Let's go try it. Okay, we're outside in the bike shop. Don't mind the children screaming in the background. I live next to school. So he somehow straps... Wait,
No, upside down. It goes upside down. Yep, just like that. This is what rubs on it.
oh, like this?
Yeah. No, it goes like this.
It's not gonna work.
Yeah, well. And then it goes like this.
Okay, I'm liking it. I got the hose clamps on. I'm now gonna attempt to put the drill right. How does it go again? Like directly upside down, like shebang. This is dumb. This is taking so long. This isn't a life hack. This is a life dumb. Nope, this isn't gonna work. I hate it. It's not gonna work. I'm not gonna try it. It's just gonna break the drill. It's gonna break my bike. It's gonna ruin my tread. It's gonna pop my tire. It takes forever. It's dumb. This life hack gets a 0 because it's not even doable. And even if it did work, your bike would get going a whopping 5 miles an hour. I'm pretty sure you could get that with 2 pedal pushes. No, thank you. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share it. That would be very appreciated. Now I have to clean up this egg water and this poop. I hope you enjoyed watching, and see you guys later. Bye.